Good morning, student. Today in English grammar, I am going to revise chapter 2. As chapter 2, sentence and phrase. What is sentence? What is phrase? From class first you are studying. But as you go in the next class, as you promoted in the next class, so different examples, different patterns of the words, letters, sentence, you follow this. In class 4th standard, you can understand what is sentence. Really, sentence is a group of words. You know, words. Words are the group of letters. So, you know English alphabet. In English alphabet, there are 26 letters. The combination of letters with meaningful sense, it forms words, and group of words makes a complete sense, it forms sentence. So sentence, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense, about anything. So sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense about anything. A complete sense to give the acknowledgement of the things, about the person, about anything. How? You see, we have many words and we can arrange them orderly as to make a sense. So dear student, what is the format of sentence? In the sentence, basically it comes subject and verb. Verb means action word or helping verb. Action, verb or helping verb. After that, object. As coming of object is not compulsory, but subject and verb, it is compulsory. So, for example, you see, we have some words like book, they, reading, and the. Here it means like books. Like books, they, reading, the. In this way, you can arrange them, all the words, to make a complete sense, and it will form a sentence. So firstly, you can find out subject. As noun or pronoun, it may become they. First place, it will be they. After that, you identify verb as action word, like. They like. means some types of sense what we feel also they can put in the form of word. So they like reading. They like reading the books. The books. They like reading the books. So in this way, they like reading the books. It is the meaningful. So it is sentence. So it is sentence because it gives the complete sense. What? They like reading the book. What they like? Reading. What they like? Reading. And which item? The book. Books. So they like reading the books. So this makes a complete sense. So it is a sentence. Beginning of the sentence, you start always with capital letter, and end of the sentence, according to sense, you put full stop, you can put question mark, you can put exclamatory mark. So different symbols also you can use at the last of the sentence. And if the proper noun comes, like the name of place, name of the person, so you can write in beginning also or in the mid of the sentence also in capital letter. So don't forget these things. At beginning of the sentence, you start it with capital letter, and at last of the sentence you put full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. And if the proper noun comes, like proper name of the person, proper name of the place, so you always write first letter capital letter, even at first place or even at the mid place. So this is sentence. It makes a complete sense. Second example also you can see. Doctor Mohan is. Dr. Mohan is. We have 4 words. So we can make sentence as meaningful sense. So firstly you find out subject Mohan. In first place you can write Mohan. Verb is here only in the form of is, helping verb. Mohan is article or is given. Mohan is a doctor. Mohan is a doctor. In this way, you see, who is Mohan? Mohan is a doctor. It is clear. Who is Mohan? Mohan is a doctor. So in this way, this group of words makes a complete sense about Mohan. Who is Mohan? Mohan is a doctor. Mohan is a doctor. So it gives a complete sense about Mohan. Meaningful sense. So this is a sentence. And you can do this as given exercise first. Arrange the following words to make proper sentences. Quiet, keep. Keep quiet. Basically, teachers always use, when you start making noise, teachers always use keep quiet like this. Keep quiet. So in this way, keep quiet. Understand? U is hidden here. U is silent. So means you keep quiet. Keep quiet means you keep quiet. So in this way, second, Shimmy girl is beautiful. Shimmy is a beautiful girl. What you can write? Shimmy is a beautiful girl. Third, Abdul, Hamid, courage, great, showed. So firstly you find out subject Abdul Hamid. After that verb showed, S-H-O-W-E-D. Abdul Hamid showed great courage. You know Abdul Hamid? He was a great patriot. He also fought the battle against Pakistan and he destroyed many tanks. So Abdul Hamid showed great courage. Fourth, our wise King Ashoka was. King Ashoka was a wise king. You can write like this: Ashoka was a wise king. Ashoka was a wise king. You know wise? Wise means intellectual. Very intellectual. He was very intellectual. So Ashoka was a wise king. At last you write full stop. Like this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you can do yourself. So dear student, today you revise sentence and exercise first you do in your copy. You can revise more and more, no matter. But what I am giving you, you can revise at least, and more you revise, no matter. Tomorrow I will explain phrase and some exercises based on phrase. For today's class.